In today's video, we're going to look at what we can do with a periodic table. Periodic table is a table of all of the elements that we know of, and it gives information about each of the elements. So a typical box on the periodic table looks something like this. This box is representative of the element sodium. And we have, in this box, we have at the top, we have the atomic number for sodium, which is 11. And then we have the atomic symbol for sodium, which is Na. The atomic name for sodium, or the element name, sodium. And on the bottom, we have the atomic mass. Some other important information about the atomic mass is that the atomic mass, the unit, is called an atomic mass unit, 1 AMU, and that for the most of the atomic mass is made up of the protons and the neutrons mass, each of which are 1 AMU in mass. So another piece of information we can draw right from the periodic table is the number of protons and the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Number of protons is equal to the atomic number, which is 11, and the number of electrons in a neutral atom are equal to the number of protons, which in this case would also be 11, and the number of neutrons we can find by looking at it, since we know that 1 AMU, or approximately 1 AMU per proton and approximately 1 AMU per neutron, we have an atomic mass of approximately 23. When we take the 22.99 and round it off, we get approximately 23 AMU. 11 of these come from protons, so 12 of them, of these AMUs, would have to come from the neutrons. The electrons also have a mass, but it is very, very, very small. So it is not, it's so small that it has almost no effect on the AMU. And the protons and the neutrons are just approximately 1, which is why we take the rounded figure for the atomic mass units when we're figuring out the number of protons and neutrons. So hopefully this serves as a quick reminder of how you can use the periodic table and each of the boxes of information for the different elements, and find out the number of protons, neutrons, electrons using the information given on the table.